Good morning, everybody. I'm going to show you this video, but you're going to think things are a little like wonky, a little strange. This is not the Twilight Zone. Um, this is an older video that I recorded probably late summer, early September, and then life got in the way, and yeah, so I'm painting these ones and showing you how to do it, but the end result is not this actual stone or the other one that I showed you. I had to remake them just for this video because I did not have these stones anymore to show you the final outcome. So this is not the Twilight Zone once again. It's just Rachel's Rocks. Sometimes we're a little different. So you guys have seen me do scarabs before, glitter bugs. I've got lots of different ones. I will list all of them in the description of this video, or you can just search them. You can actually just search my video list for whichever ones you want. I have over 300 videos and they're all free and they all probably will teach you something, or you might even get a laugh. Who knows? So I'm covering a portion, not the bottom, but the top and the sides with black acrylic paint. I'm using a finger sponge. I did 2 coats of that and I let it dry. And now I'm painting on the head and wings for our scarab. I do just want to let you know that this is going to be out of view. Portions of it will be anyway. I apologize for that. I never mean to do that to you guys. I'm just so like right into painting and I don't even realize that you can't even see. So while I'm spinning this to show you, I added some dots on the underneath of the wings. So you can see that. I'm sorry that I didn't hit the record button to show you how I did it. But it's, you know, it kind of self-explanatory, I guess you could say. So I'm going to be using chrome flakes. These are purchased on Amazon, and I'm using UV top coat and a UV light to do portions of our scarabs. So the wings are going to be chrome flakes. Now the chrome flakes that I've chosen look blue when you guys see it, but when you turn it in different lights, it's actually amazing because it goes to like a deep purple, like a magenta. It turns like I've seen gold and a bit of green, maybe some purple, some yellow, like bright gold, not yellow. But it just shifts in all different directions and it changes colors. So depending on which way you're looking at it, it looks blue or it looks purple or it looks magenta or it looks gold. Like some areas are just, I can't even explain it. So yeah, you put the UV gel on, you cook the UV gel under your UV light, like I like to call it cooking, for about 1 minute and 20 seconds. Then you like just use a brush and brush on the chrome flakes. It does get all over the place. It does. If your man don't like glitter, he need to move out. So that's all I have to say about that. Because this is a mess. Do not sneeze. Do not talk. Do not cough. Do not let your cat come near you. The cat does not belong on your lap when you have an open container of chrome flakes. Okay? Just a little tip. See, you will learn something each video. So I'm doing the same thing I did with the other side. I just cooked it. You didn't see that part because of the magic of my editing. Or I may not have hit record. Who knows? The universe stepped in and didn't make me show you that part for some reason. Anyway, I'm cleaning it up because sometimes the chrome flakes get stuck to the gold and when I brush it really hard, it doesn't come off. So I have to paint over that because I do want nice and clean, sharp lines. Everything looks beautiful. See, it looks blue. It's really not. It's not blue. I promise. See, Like, I can't even explain it, but we'll see. I'll try and take some pictures of it under different lights before resin and after resin, so that you can see. But I don't know. We'll see. Now we're going to turn it into more of like a ladyish bug scarab. We're going to put some black sponge dots, just 3 on each wing. I'm going to let those sponge dots dry. And it's okay if they're not like perfect size or in the perfect area. Just put 3 black dots on there. That's it. Because we're going to go in there and do some dotting with gold just to fancy it up even more, because why not? Scarabs are pretty fancy. If you look up like the Egyptian scarabs and how special they were to the Egyptians, man, like this has got to be a special bug. Okay, so I did some curly antennae. Is that how you say it? I don't even care anymore. Somebody tell me his little antlers. That's what we're going to call them. I'm doing some big eyeballs. We're going to put some holographic dust on those eyeballs using the same UV top coat that we used for the wings. Notice those chrome flakes are stuck there good. It's like a magnet. The flakes attach to that UV top coat once you've cooked it. Like a magnet. It doesn't come off now. There's not gonna be chrome flakes all over my eyeballs. There's not gonna be chrome flakes on any of the black areas. It only sticks to the UV gel. So it's like magic. And we just turned a stone to chrome, right? Which is pretty cool. So I'm making big eyeballs. I'm still working on those, but I have to let some of the gold and black dry. So that I can work with it some more. We're just going to be patient. We're going to be patient little people. And this is where I'm going to put a design on our big black dots. It's pretty easy. I'm not going all out. You can definitely slow the video down, but as you've heard me say before, mute the video if you're going to slow me down or speed me up. I don't think I sound great as a chipmunk either, okay? Although I could start singing some Christmas songs, because Alvin and the Chipmunks have some pretty good Christmas songs, I must say. I think I just aged myself there. That's okay. Please hit the like button. And make sure that you are also subscribed. Sometimes YouTube robots unsubscribe you from channels, especially if I haven't been around for a couple of weeks. YouTube's just like, yeah, you don't need her. Get rid of her. So make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel, and there will be more videos coming. I'm feeling confident about that. Yeah. So I have the urge to do my nails in a bright neon red because of watching this video and my tan. I love my tan. But I also love this bug. I think it's looking pretty nice. I did end up recreating this bug and another one. They are bigger. Well, one of them is. This one that I did copying this one right here is bigger. So it's going to look a little different when I show you the final video after resin and everything. I'm also making a smaller one, which is a greenish blue one, and I'm going to put crystals on top of the dots as well. So that'll show you like a variation. But hopefully you guys forgive me for this video being kind of wonky. Please. I'm going to let the gold dots dry that I've just done, and then I'm going to add black dots on top. And we'll see how it looks. Okay? We'll see. Going back to the eyeballs. I'm going to be just cleaning some bits up at the moment. Then I'm going to be adding holographic powder in the eyes, and also some dots between those two gold lines that you can see, the frame around the eyes. But first, because once again I need to let my gold and black dry around my eyeballs, I'm going to add some more dots. So I'm just dotting from one larger dot to the next using a dotting needle, and just kind of walking the dots between, just to kind of, I don't know, I just wanted to, like, it didn't feel complete the way it was. So I wanted to add these. And like I said, I'm just waiting for these bigger gold dots to dry so that I can add black on top of that. And I've done the same thing with the smaller one that I've made, which is a greenish blue. I'll show that to you soon. But on top of these gold dots is going to be Swarovski crystals. So it's going to be just slightly different from the bigger one, from the one that looks like this one. So I'm just cleaning up the eyeballs again and the antlers. I love that. My bug has antlers. Just cleaning it up. I'm going to be adding dots in there as well. Just as like a weird looking eyeball frame. And everything here that you're seeing is completely optional. You don't have to do it. I'm just gonna inspire you, and this one's just a little bit different from my other bugs, but very similar, but I just love them. I usually make sets of them, like one smaller than the next, and do a little set of 3, or I just make like a really big one, a bigger one, and I make it real fancy. I have made so many of them, but I still love them so much. I will never stop. They're so cute. And like in like little house plants and stuff, if you have like just a little glittering scarab in there, it's so pretty. I just love them. And these ones, the amount that they color shift is crazy. So you're gonna see that soon. I promise. I can't wait to show you the finished product. So as you can see, I am now dotting the top of the gold, just like I said. It's dry enough that it's not going to make like a marble effect or make a mess of anything. And I'm going to leave those just like that. That's how they're going to stay. The final thing that I do is the holographic powder on the eyeballs, which, like I said, is done the same way that I did the wings on our bug, which is what I'm doing now. You can't see. I apologize. But basically, you cook the eyes, you put holographic powder on instead. I will leave a link in the description of the holographic powder that I'm using. It's from Iuilewatercolours Pigments on Etsy, and it's one of my favorites. And you just use the UV gel on the eye, cook it, then you rub on the holographic powder with a makeup sponge, like a little eyeshadow sponge that usually comes with it. And then there you go. It's ready to go. And then I seal it with resin, and none of this glitter moves. So that glitter is going to stay just like the chrome does on the wings, which is my favorite part. So usually what is black stays black and what is gold stays gold, but you might have to go over some of your gold after working with flakes of any kind. So here it is, completed. Look at the way it changes color. This is unresined. So, like, I mean, come on. Are you kidding me? Let's see it resined. Da 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 da. Oh my goodness. Do you guys know why I love these so much? This is why, right here. The love I feel when I see something sparkly and shiny like that, full of color. Like, come on. Are you kidding me? Here's the smaller one that I've done. This one does have crystals, although one of them has fallen off on the right hand side that I have to fix. So good thing I'm paying attention right now. This one shifts a little bit of purple, bit of blue, bit of green. It's super nice. So cute. I just love these things. Just love them. Let me know what you think. This is how they look outside today in the warm sun. It's only temporary though. We're going to get some snow tonight. But that's okay. Trying to think positive. Enjoyed the sun today while I could. I will be back again with a couple of more tutorials over the next few days because I promised you guys more. I'm just going to chit chat even if you've seen my stuff before. I love you guys and I hope you're all doing very well. I've missed you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. That does help me out. It's a free way to help me out if you're not doing anything today. And I will see you very, very, very soon. I love you. Bye.